Criteria 2.1 is to explain why it is important to identify and meet the individual needs of learners. For this assignment question, we are looking at why is it so important that we as teachers and trainers recognise and understand that every learner is an individual, okay? Every learner, when they come to a class for the very first time, they bring their own experiences, their expectations, their own skill set, okay? And we need to recognise that every learner is different, and of course we need to respect their individual needs as well. As teachers and trainers, we're there to be a supporter, and we can speak to every learner to find out about their skill set. Are there any gaps within their knowledge? And that we are there to support them throughout the course or qualification. In terms of answering this assignment question, we would like for you to think about why is it so important to identify and meet the individual needs of learners. We'd also like for you to reflect on how you do this. So how do you support individual learners throughout your course or programme? For example, typical methods that you could reflect on is initial assessment, ILPs, so one-to-one reviews, using VARK, okay, so perhaps different questions, different activities that you promote within your teaching and training. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, so using lots of support, lots of questions to your learners, lots of icebreakers as well, just to engage with them and to get to know your learners more, of course. Adaptive resources and assessment methods, extra time, and even arranging support classes is going to help to support your learners' individual needs as well. So I'd like for you to reflect on your experiences, perhaps aim for about 3 different examples of how you support individual learners on your course, and reflect on your current practice. Are there any areas for development as well? So if you think there are any sort of future ways that you can help to promote individual learning, then why not mention it within this assignment question. Do have a look at textbook pages 94 to 98 to find out a little bit more about how you can recognise and also support individual learner needs.